Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have so many items to share with you guys. We're just going to jump right in and start with the food. I did pick up another top ramen in the shrimp flavor. I love this one. Dog's got a treat from Gravy Train Wavy Bacon. I needed garlic powder. They happen to have that. And I also needed black pepper, so I grabbed one of those. I did pick up 2 boxes of these Snaps Broccoli and Cheese Bites. These are delicious. And I also got 2 boxes of Cool Pops. I got the regular ones. You get 20 in there. Also, you get 20 in this one, but I got tropical flavor. And I got these to put back. And then I found these in the freezer section yesterday. And these, I believe, if I'm not wrong, are $3 at Walmart. And they're the Monster Pop Sours from the Budget Saver brand. You get 12 in here. And I got the Blue Raspberry Lemonade. These were literally a steal. And then I also got the Monster Pops 12 count in pink lemonade. Yes. And me and Connor eat one of these yesterday. They are so good. So be on the lookout at your Dollar Tree. Okay, I got a bunch of house stuff like normal. They didn't have my Palmolive that I like, so I had to take the Ultra Strength one. I'm sure that's great. I wanted to try the scent booster. I'd never seen the scent spring there, so I grabbed that to try. LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent, the Plus fabric softener. I love that one, so I continue to repurchase it. I did get a Breezy Fresh Linen Fabric Sheet 55 count, 2 of the Strong and Soft bath tissues, and the 140 count paper towels. Before we get into the other stuff, I did get some 150 count straws and 2-ply tissues, 175 count box. I always repurchase these as well. And heavy duty, these are freezer bags. So 12 of those. I didn't have the ones I normally get, so I grabbed these instead. I got the aluminum foil, and they typically have it in the 40 square feet. Today I lucked out and they had it in the 50 square feet, which I thought was awesome. And girl, your comment made me buy more quick erasers, so thank you for that. I'm going to try this on my makeup table. So hopefully this gets those old stains and stuff out of my makeup area table. And they didn't have the bags that I like either. So from the Home Essentials, I got the tall kitchen bags and 14 bags to 13 gallons. I know these are a little bit thin. I've had them in the past, but I just had to have kitchen bags. And I also bought a new duster. I love this duster, and I needed a new one. So, grab that. For the bathroom, I saw this Lysol Hygienic Automatic Toilet Cleaner. It's a 2-week freshener. I don't know about all that, but I was curious. It's in Lavender Fields, and we're going to try it out. I got some of these E-Circuit super heavy duty batteries. I have never tried these ones before, so I picked those up to try. And I got a 2-pack face mask. These are really thin, but I still wanted to grab them. I got some of this Arteris Muscle Pain Relief Cream. And allergies and sinuses have been kicking my tail lately, so I got some Assured Brand Severe Sinus Congestion and Pain. And it's a non-drowsy, because I cannot be doing no drowsy. And this stuff works. I bought this like 3 times. I love this stuff. Also, I got some of these Paw Patrol Stuffy Nose Wipes. 25 count, you can't beat that. And then I just happened to see these and thought I'd pick them up for my purse. But they're moist wipes, and they're antibacterial. And they kill germs, moisturizing formula, fresh scent, convenient, vitamin E and aloe. There's 20 in here. And yeah, I thought these were really nice for the purse, so I grabbed those up. Okay, also in the line of kind of like health and beauty stuff, I got one of these paddle brushes. These are my favorite brushes, and I have the red one already, but I just needed a new one. I got the blue one this time. I wanted to try this Assured Brand Feminine Foaming Wash in the creamy coconut. They also had a citrus one, but I prefer like coconut or unscented most of the time. Most of the time unscented. But I thought we'd give that a try. They finally have my Lady Speed Stick in the rollerball. I love this one. And a Sure brand cotton rounds. You cannot beat 80 of these for $1. You just can't. I did pick up some of these essential hangers, a 7-pack in hot pink. I like the little hook here to hold stuff. So I'm getting ready to redo my dress storage. I want to store them differently. So I picked up 2 of these Home Essentials suit storage bags and some new hangers to go with that. And although we do not know the status of like schooling yet, I do know that Connor 100% is going to be homeschooled, so I just went ahead and got some back to school items. I did pick up a pair of earbuds, and these are so cute, and they remind me of the Joker. I've said before, green and purple, I always think of the Joker. I need some of these white envelopes, and they have like the instant sealing on them. You get 30 for $1 from the brand Mead. You cannot beat that, honestly. These picked up for fun. 2 packs of Crayolas, some neon crayons, and some glitter crayons. You can get a 24 count of each one of these on Walmart.com for $3 or $4 each. And when I saw these, I thought, wow, you know, that's really neat. So I got these because I thought Connor would enjoy those. He already opened his Crayola pencil and crayon sharpener. I did pick this up for crayons, so that'll be for that. And some Jot crystal clear tape. I needed paper clips just in case for any kind of paperwork and things like that. He needed a manuscript tablet, and we do already have a couple of these hanging around, but he'd been using them, so I got a brand new one to use just for school. And then I did pick him up some of this Play Money, coins and currency, and it comes in this cute little flip top, like cash register style thing. He loves this, like he's had one in the past, and he knows his money, so we just got this to play with. And I found a couple fun makeup items. Now we're down to like my favorite finds of the day. And this is the EcoTools mask remover sponges. I didn't get these for mask. They're pretty soft. But I did get them. I saw a lady, she dipped hers in acetone, and she cleans off her scraper using these. And I thought that was a really neat idea, so I wanted to pick that up to try. And Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. And I'm excited about trying this. And I had to pick up the lightest shade, which is a nude beige, light medium. I don't know if this will work for me, but we're definitely going to give it a go. And I did get requested, just a side note here, to do a DollarTree makeup challenge. I looked at the makeup yesterday. It was slim pickings. Maybe I can pick from my own collection and know what I got from DollarTree and do that for you guys. So let me know if you'd still be interested if I do a look using all DollarTree stuff that I found at the Dollar Tree, because they just didn't have anything. Now I did pick up some candles from, this is from the Old Williamsburg Candle Company, and this is Rum Raisin Gelato. This smells so good. And from the Rose collection, I got the Orchid and Black Currant candle. So I grabbed those 2 candles, and the last few items are fall related. So yes, our store is starting to put out Halloween and fall decorations, and I was so excited. I love fall. And I got this cute little scarecrow, and he hangs, has a little bitty rope to hang him from. Okay. Anyways, look how cute he is. He says welcome. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with him yet, but I may put him on my door. A combination of this and one other thing. And Connor picked out this little pumpkin man. He's like a scarecrow, and we already have a scarecrow too that I have had for years, but took really good care of him for $1. And they're going to be pals this year apparently. But look how cute he is. Oh my goodness. And then the last fall item I picked up was this nice pumpkin. They also had these with a green leaf, and I believe like another color, like maybe a red or something. I'm not entirely sure, but definitely like a green leaf. And it's a big pumpkin. It says thankful and blessed. So I was halfway thinking maybe meshing these two together somehow. And doing a door thing. I'm not entirely sure. I may pick up some more stuff and do maybe a DIY or something. So I know you guys would probably definitely be interested in that. So we'll see. This is all the awesome fall stuff I found yesterday though. Anyway, so that is my Dollar Tree haul. That was my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls like this. Seen anything in the video you want reviewed or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. Check that description box for additional links.